and see how you relate to each one of them. There are certain people, Pastor AJ, you will answer their calls any day, any time, even when you are sleeping.
That's right.
And there are some people around you, you still you love everybody, you don't hate them. When you call, you filter the times they are calling.
That's right.
And you go like, this one I have to return this call later.
That's right.
This one I have to talk to this one now. You know, so that's how I believe we
it's all about prioritizing your time.
Perfect.
Like redeeming your time.
Yeah.
But there's 3 A's that I have to give it everybody. When you go to anywhere in the world.
That's Pastor AJ's general advice to all of us.
All of you. Triple A. You need to, number 1, triple A battery. You know, everywhere you go, you need to adjust.
Yeah.
You need to adjust certain things. Because in Australia, when I came, I love this country so much. So when I was in high school, I'm like, I want to learn the accent, you know, so that I'll be able to blend in.
And you've mastered it.
And good day, man. Yeah, how you doing? Fair income, man. So I adjust my Ghanaian way.
Yeah.
I was be friends with everybody in sports. I was playing Aussie football. See, you need to go out and then explore.
Yeah, mingle
with. So obviously football, you know, the kangaroo one. I tried. I didn't like it. Then I went to the rugby league, ANFL or whatever it's called.
Yeah, NFL.
They brought this egg ball.
Yeah.
You know, and they tackled me. I twisted my knee. That's how I stopped playing soccer. I shouldn't have done that. But then I made some friends, like, you know, from school. We hang around. We talk about football. And then I created an interest in football. I supported St. George Illawarra.
Yeah.
Again, because Anthony Mandine was playing and I could relate to it because he's a black fellow. And that was like my pick. So we are all even choosing what we like based on our preference. So when somebody doesn't choose you or doesn't prefer you,
it shouldn't be a problem.
It shouldn't be a problem.
Move to the next person. He'll like you.
Thank you. We all make choices based on our lenses, what we prefer.
Yeah.
Because when you go to the shop, you don't buy every clothes.
Yeah.
You don't buy every shoe.
Yeah.
You don't go to every store because some stores they're like, hi, and then you go and pay your money.
Yeah.
So go to a place that they will celebrate you.
Okay.
Not tolerate you.
That's right.
And then so adopt in order to accommodate.
That's right.
So you need to adopt certain things too. You adjust certain things, you adopt certain things, and you'll be able to be accommodated in the land. My Aussie pastor friends, one of the pastors said to me, you see, AJ, the reason why you bring something to the table, most people just come and take.
You see, like what I said previously, it's about what you have to offer.
Yeah. So when you don't, you don't go to places expecting everybody to just give you. Oh, give me this. Oh, give me that. But what are you giving to other people? Yeah. So that is one of the things that we should avoid as well. Wonderful. That be a contributor. You understand? When you come to any land or anywhere you go to, even your workplace, don't take all the food because they're giving that for free.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some people, or don't take all the things at work. They say, oh, we're throwing it out, and then you go, oh, give me
everything,
and then be considerate. What about other people? You know, tell them, oh, I'll take 1 or 2, ship it to Ghana. If nobody takes it,
then of course,
then you ask and say, oh, manager, the things are still there. Does anybody else need some? So just be considerate and ask for permission.
That's true.
You know, and when we go to parties, I've seen people taking food and meat and chicken. They will take like 3. That we are like 400 people.
Come on, man.
You know, come on. That didn't just get me. Let me get it out. It get me. You know that there's people line up.
Yeah.
You know, and because I do a lot of MCs. Yeah.
Yeah.
It gets me. Because I'm like, take a little. Once everybody has finished,
you can come back.
Then you come back. See, that's the mentality that we have to finish everything today. So maybe when you meet some people, they're time wasters, they're wasting food, they're hoggers, and they can't let things go. Those people, avoid them.
Wow.
Avoid them.
The major thing to avoid are these people.
Yeah.
And the other people I will add to this, if you're a new person, is people who like to create problems. they themselves are not peaceful. In their circle of friends, it's only argument, fight, quarrels. Stay away.
Yeah. No, but that one, even maybe they like trouble because trouble is good.
Because the issue is when you are new in an environment,
okay,
they know how to deal with the police when the police hear a yell and come around.
That's right.
If somebody calls the police to come back, maybe that time you don't even have an ID card.
That's right.
You don't even have a name.
Yeah.
Trust me, those listening to understand will understand.
Yeah.
You may not even have a name. So if you avoid certain things, in Ghana they say a snail that knows how to look after itself turns out to become the mighty snail. You understand? So you need to know how to avoid complications. There are certain people I know in this country that have lived here for so many years without some of the things they will even need to live, but they have lived many years because they avoid certain things that will raise certain alarms, and every environment like people like that.
Let your private life be your private life, and also keep it to yourself.
All right.
Because
thank you so much, family. We've come to an end of today's one. We're gonna get another one coming your way soon. So we will break this down and you will enjoy it. Stay tuned. And it's been Koder and Pastor AJ.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.